व्याकरणं जानन्ति इति के? सर्वे व्याकरणं सम्यक् जानन्ति इति? Immediately न्यायं जानन्ति, न्यायशास्त्रं जानन्ति इति के सन्ति? सम्यक् जानन्ति इति? मीमांसाशास्त्रं? मीमांसाशास्त्रं, very good. Good. See, good combination. Didi, you have very good combination. सम्यक् संस्कृत भाषां जानन्ति इति कथ्यते। आप अपने आप को सम्यक् ही समझो। So, इदानीं इतः परं मध्याह्ने इदानीं theoretical section भवति। मध्याह्ने afternoon we will divide into team. See where one व्याकरणज्ञ, वैयाकरणः, one नैयायिकः, एकः नैयायिकः, ज्योतिष्य, one computer person. So like that we have a team. Swati, Aruna, Surecha. So Naveen has the list. So make the team. So for afternoon. एवं कर्तुं शक्नुमः। एक वैयाकरण, एक नैयायिक। पुनः computer person. एवं 3 or 6 like that. Okay. 3 students. In one table. 6 students, 2 naiyayikas, 2 vaiyakas, 1 computer person, because computer students are very less. So you may, Raghunji, Ashadevji, Bhavantah api just support them for dividing for making the team. Not now. Okay. So idanim punah we'll come back to the structure. See, you have to see these computer people. No, what we have to see. We needs not see. I'm not a computer person. I don't know any programming language. I don't know any computer. Okay, I'm pure Samskrita. I'm from pure Samskrita background. Okay, so, but no, what we have to know for working on Sanskrit computational linguistics, what we have to know is, but I can talk with Chaitanya. Okay, Chaitanya is a computer person, Swati is a computer person, but I can discuss with him. I can discuss with them. No, I can discuss with them and I can understand their language, but I cannot program. So, what we have to know is to converse with them. तैः सह उपविश्य discuss कृत्वा अस्माकं शास्त्रे यदस्ति, what do we have in our shastra, then we have to convey to the scientists. Then no, see, we hundreds of software engineers are available in this world. Okay, whatever we are saying, they do, but they don't know the shastra. See, that strong background we have the strength. No, the Sanskrit, the computer people, no, software engineers, they are the instruments. Okay, computer scientists or computer software engineers, they are the instruments, we are the strength. Shama? ये संस्कृत शास्त्रं सम्यक् जानन्ति, they are the strength, they have the strength. They will work for us. So Acharyaji, today Acharyaji said, no, why do I do all these things? I just ask them to do, so he has ideas. For implementing those ideas, you people are there. I need not do anything, everything. Like that, Sanskritatnaihi sarvam karaniyam iti nasti. Aham tu programming na janami, then how can I work on this field? No. You need not know programming. Okay. But you, and also, you know the technique of programming. But anuvyavasaya nasti. What is anuvyavasaya? What is anuvyavasaya? What is anuvyavasaya? Naiyayikas. Anuvyavasaya kaha? Aham janami iti jnanam. That is anuvyavasaya. Jnanasya jnanam. I know this iti jnanam. That is anuvyavasaya. That is needed now. See, if you study Ashtadhyayi, you know computer programming. So, Panini is the first programmer. That was a high level programmer, Panini. So, if you know Panini, you know programming, techniques. What you don't know is the language. Programming language is Python. Then you don't know. Script you don't know. But you know the techniques. But you don't know that you know the techniques. Okay. That is अनुव्यवसायः नास्ति. अत्र अस्माकं कार्यं भवताम् अनुव्यवसायः भवेत् इति. What all you know, that you have to know that you know that. Okay na? That is our work. Ataha, I don't know computer, I never touched computer, how do I work in this field? No. We all together create a world of processing. Okay na? So come with us in this journey. So, okay, we'll continue with the structure of the language. Now, still Rama is going to Ayodhya. Okay. So, Rama Ayodhya gachati. So, what is the Kriya?
Gamanapura.
Kriya. Gachati, no? Gamana Kriya. Gachati is the Kriya. Kaha gachati? Rama is gachati. Rama kaha? Karta. Ayodhya? Kutra gachati? Where he is going? So this is karma. So this is the relation between the words Rama and gachati, and this is the relation between the words Ayodhya and gachati. है ना? So how does he go? कथम गच्छति? रामः कथम गच्छति? कथम how does he go? How does he go? Papa, why he has to go Padvyam? No, flights are available. No, lots of flights are available. Still you want Rama to go by too bad. Padvyam Gandhavya. Himalaya mere gachati Rama. Airport Ayodhya समीचीन airport अस्ति. Very nice airport. Let Rama come by airport by flight no. यानेन गच्छति. विमानयानेन, रेलेन, something. So यानेन गच्छति. यान means vehicle. By any vehicle, any means. What is the relation? Yeah, what is this flight, car or two-wheeler or pata? What is that? Instrument. Instrument. No, that is the instrument to come, to reach. It's a medium to reach the place. Okay, it's an instrument. What is the instrument? Karana. So this is a technical term. It's a karana. So Ramaha. So this yana and gachati. This is a karana. Let me write K3. What is K3? Karakam. What is a karakam? Karakam is a relationship. The relationship with verb kriya. To the kriya. So karakam. How many karakas are there? Six karakas. Okay. So I call it as K1, K2, K3, K4, K5, K6, K7. K6 is empty, 0, not there. So K7. This is empty. No K6. Okay. So these are the K1, Karta. Karta, what is Karta? One who does the work. One who does the work, that's Karta. Karma? Object. Okay. Karana? Instrument. See, Yana. So Rama, kaha gachati? Rama is going, he is a Karta. And Ayodhya, he is going to Ayodhya, that is a karma. And what is the That is Yana, vehicle. Yana. Any other thing you can add here? Ramaha? किमर्थं गच्छति?
वनात् अयोध्यां प्रति गच्छति।
वनात् अयोध्यां प्रति गच्छति। वनात्। What is वनात्? He is going to Ayodhya from the forest. Vanavasa is over. Now, beautiful griham is there for Rama in Ayodhya. So he is leaving the forest and going to Ayodhya. So what is this relation?
K5. Apadan.
This is K5. Apadan.
Rama.
Apadan.
Good.
Anything you can add here?
Rama Gam Dattva Vanat Ayodhya Prati Gacchati.
किमर्थं गां ददाति? सः सीतायै पुष्पं ददातु। अयोध्याम् आगच्छति, अयोध्याम् आगत्य पुष्पं ददाति। कस्य? सीतायै। ओके, रामः ददाति। Rama dadati. Rama is giving what? Pushpam. To whom? Sitai.
Sita to Sarevasi. Kausalya.
So giving to Sita. So Sita is receiving. Sita is a receiver. Okay, receiving pushpa. So she is Sampradana. So receiver. She is a Sampradana. And what is? Where? Where? Kutra dadati? Ayodhyayam. Where? Ayodhyayam. That is K7. Okay. K7. Ayodhyayam. Where? In which place? Now, Adhikara. Now you take some, see, Ram goes to school. What is the verb here?
Goes.
Goes. Okay. 1 second. Ram goes to school. So what is the verb here?
Goes.
Goes, no? Goes. Kaha gacchati? Ram. What is the relation?
Karta.
Karta. है ना? Karta. Where he is going?
School.
School. Karma. How?
By
two-wheeler. Two-wheeler. Okay, na? This is two-wheeler. By two-wheeler. What is this?
K3.
K3. From where? From home. From home.
K5.
This is K5. Okay. See any difference in relation? Can you see any difference in relation? You take a sentence from Hindi. Any sentence. Okay. You have notebooks, no? Take any sentence from Hindi and write the relations. क्यों भी एकं सेंटेंस भवतां मातृभाषा अस्ति खलु तथा स्वीकृत्य एकं वाक्यं स्वीकृत्य यू मार्क द रिलेशन कथयन्तु एकं वाक्यं वदतु भवतां हिन्दीतः लक्ष्मण राम के साथ बन जाता है. So how does कथम अस्ति relation? Who is Ram? चाहता है is the verb. Who is Ram? कर्ता. Ram is the कर्ता. कहाँ जाता है? बन जाता है. What is बन? इसके साथ I'll take later. See, that's why Sanskrit grammar, no, this is grammar, this karta, karma and all. Where do we have this? Nashtashayi. Sanskrit grammar, no? That's why we call Sanskrit grammar is universal. See, you can see karta everywhere. है ना? Any language, Malayalam. Raman സ്കൂളിൽ പോകുന്നു, സ്കൂളിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നു. Raman സ്കൂളിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നു. Same structure, okay? So Ram is a karta there also. See, the structure may be different, but relation is same. സ്കൂളിലേക്ക് രാമൻ സ്കൂളിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നു. രാമൻ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಕಥಂ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮತ್ತೆ
ರಾಮನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಶಾಲೆಗೆ
ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ರಾಮನು ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಎವ್ರಿವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್. Marathi also. See, the sentence structure is different, but the relation, sambandha is same. That's why this karaka concept is universal, not only for Sanskrit. It's for all languages in the world. Marathi, Gujarati. See, there also Gujarati script and this change, but relation is same, no? Karta, karma, karanam, all these are same. So these are the maximum relations words can have with verb.
Tamil Nadu.
These are Tamil.
Raman Pallikku Selgiran.
Palli, na? In Malayalam we say Pallikalla, means someone who doesn't want to go to school. Pallikalla.
Tulu.
ರಾಮೇ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ.
ರಾಮೇ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ.
So, see, we have different way to express sentences. But see, important is for analysis. Important is vakyam. One is vakyam. See, even in Sanskrit, no, this vakyapadiyam and all, vakyapadiyam, pushnatar and all, see, we take vakya as complete unit, not word. Because vakya only can convey the meaning, exact meaning, complete meaning. Okay, so first and foremost thing is analyzing the sentence. Okay, there also the important thing is getting the relation between the words. Okay, is it clear? This you know, just see, for computing, यदि संगणके कार्यं करणीयं चेत् we have to analyze like this. Okay, what is the structure of a sentence? How does it connect? How does it convey the meaning? Okay, see, meaning means, where is the meaning? When now I am speaking, no, I am speaking, but see, Maya Uttam Raman Vanattilekku pogunu. Did you get anything? No. Why?
शब्दज्ञानं नास्ति.
शक्तिः नास्ति. शक्तिः कुत्र अस्ति? शक्तिः कुत्र अस्ति?
पदपदार्थयोः सम्बन्धः
कुत्र अस्ति तत्? एतत् सर्वं बहिः नास्ति, अन्तः नास्ति इत्यर्थः. यु डोण्ट् हेव् इन्सैड् द नालेज् आफ् मलयाळं स्ट्रक्चर्, वोकाबुलरी. Okay, all these are important. See, for understanding a language, what all you need? See, हिंदी में बात करने में तो थोड़ा डर लगता है. क्यों? क्योंकि वो तो स्ट्रक्चर तो पता है मुझे, बट ये है ना, वोकैबुलरी तो उतना नहीं है. वो ये डर है ना, वो ग्रामर मिस्टेक होगा, वो तो उपहास करेंगे, ऐसे कुछ ये होता है. क्योंकि I don't have that strength, no, I don't have that much connection on Hindi. Any language, Malayalam also, if you don't know the structure, not only knowing the structure and that strong base on the language. So, no, that base, no, for computer application also, we have to teach the machine the structure. Strong structure with all exceptional rules. See, exceptions are there. See, if I say Upavishadu, okay, Upavishadu, immediately you sit. Sit or not? All these things, no? See, language specific, context specific. Okay, all these things we have to teach. So, how to teach? It's a challenge. No, it's a challenge. So, that challenge, who can do this challenge? Who can address this challenge? Yes. Okay. So, now, this no? So, you know, so if that's why I tell you, if you know one structure of Sanskritam, so you can work on any language. Even Kannada, even you can work on Malayalam. See, even computers, scientists, no, they work on different languages. They don't know the language. See, Swati worked on Pali. That time she didn't know actually what is Pali structure. But no, we can see the when we know the structure, no, then we can see that language in that perspective. Okay, so you know this, no? So one more thing I'll explain, then I'll hand over this to Chaitanya. He'll show you how do we structurize and how do we take this into application level. Okay, this is theoretical, but katham tatra sanganake kartum shakya, that Chaitanya will explain. See, so taya idam vakyam uktam Ramaha Sitaya saha Ayodhyam gachati. Vanavasa jata. Ayodhyam gachati. Ayodhyam gachati. See, kaha gachati? Ramah gachati. Kutra gachati? What is Sita? Kaha gachati? Ramaha. Who is going? Sita is not going. Sita is sitting, standing like this. Sita is going or not? Yes. So Sita is also going. Then who is going? Ramaha Sita cha. So can we connect this Sita to Gachati?
Yes. Yeah.
Indirectly. Why?
Gamana kriyaya.
See, these are the challenges. Okay. These are things we have to think in a different way. So this, see, is this a karakam? So what is karakam? Do you use vibhakti? Okay. What is vibhakti?
Sahayukte apradhan.
What is vibhakti?
Tritiya vibhakti.
What is vibhakti? What is the difference between vibhakti and karakam? What is the difference between karakam and vibhakti? Any difference is there? कुछ है क्या between विभक्ति and कारक? क्या है? हाँ? Vibhakti is added, karaka is not added.
Karak is existing, but we add vibhakti in order to show what kind of karak it is.
हाँ, exactly. See, how do we know about the karaka? So here karta is there. How do we know there is a karta?
Pratamanta.
Through vibhakti. So here, how do we know there is a karma? Vidya vibhakti. So vibhakti expresses the karaka.
Vibhakti is a marker.
Yeah, vibhakti is a marker. Through vibhakti we get the karaka. Karaka is a relation, roles. Okay, roles. Role means you know, role. Different roles. See, now I'm teaching you. So now my role is as a teacher. See, before that I was an administrator. Okay, that's a different role. At home I'm a daughter. Different roles are there. Like that, no, the sambandha, relations. So these relations are expressed through the vibhaktis. Okay, so relations are karaka relations are there expressed through vibhaktis. So here ka vibhakti is it a karaka? There is a karaka. Karanam karakam asti va? Karanam naam instrument. Asti va? Actually, it should be evam, no? Actually, what is the meaning? Ramaha Sita cha gacchataha. No? Atra kim asti? This is Sahyam asti. Sahyam. She is dependent. Dependent, no? Sahyam. So, Saha gacchati. So, because of Saha, this is getting. This is actually not directly connected to the verb. See, karakas, no? Karakas should be directly connected to the verb. So, this is not a karaka. So, here, there is a different relation. It's not karaka relation. You know, upapada vibhakti, karaka vibhakti and upapada vibhakti. What is karaka vibhakti? Karakam bhoti, karakasya vibhakti. Clue, karakasya expression. Upapada vibhakti?
पदनिमित्तम
Padanimitam, samipastam yat padam. So saha is the word. Because of this is getting this vibhakti. Okay, now? So that's why this is a different relation. Not directly connected to the verb. Okay, so now this much you know, Chaitanya, you just she'll continue with this Anvaya Chitra. We have a tool. We developed a tool to know the relations. Okay, if you give a sloka, if you give a sentence, automatically it will show the relations like this.